Hi, my name is Dale. I'm the installation leader here at Southwest Exteriors. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel, and today we're going to talk about some DIY window replacement and the myths and possible risks of doing those replacements yourself. So first we're going to talk about myth one, and that is you're going to save money doing it yourself, and that can be the case. I have seen it done over the years. I've been doing windows myself for nearly 30 years, and it can be done. The only thing with that is there are some serious risks that come with it as far as, potential leaking. You have no warranty. Those can all be things that can detract from the value of doing it yourself later on. The second myth with window replacement and DIY would be that you can do it just as well as a professional. So with YouTube and all the information that you can gather from the internet, I can definitely see where people will be tempted to do that themselves and go ahead and try and save a few dollars, try to kind of cut out the middleman and do something yourself. Maybe you're somebody that likes to do that sort of thing, and that's fantastic. I always encourage people to try their own things. There are a lot of things to consider though. So your house may not be the same as the one you see in the video or the one that you read about on the internet. And so that can cause a lot of issues because with window installation, you constantly have to adapt to the situation. You're talking about the weather seal on your house, and it has to be done properly to adhere to warranty for the manufacturers. You don't get an installation warranty, so if you do something and it causes damage, you're not covered in any way. And even in some cases that can affect your homeowner's insurance, and they may not pay for damages that were done because it wasn't done by a professional. The number one risk being weather infiltration and having some sort of water get into your window or around your window or into your house from the window installation that was done. If it wasn't sealed properly, that's a definite risk. The second thing we need to talk about, and the second main thing to consider, is the functionality of the window. If the window is not installed perfectly square and straight into the specifications of the manufacturer, the window's not going to function right. So if you're using a vertical opening window, you go to open it, it may not open properly, it may slam down. Depending on the window, depending on how it was installed, it can be a problem. The third thing being the manufacturer specifications are super important. The manufacturers have a warranty and they need to be installed in a way that keeps to that manufacturer specification. Otherwise, they may not live up to the warranty, or they may not honor the warranty down the line. So with DIY, and whether you do or do not want to do it, if you do not want to do it and you decide, hey, this is too much for me to handle, or hey, I don't want to take the risk, the number one thing is you need to find a contractor that's going to be a high quality, high caring contractor that's going to do the best job for your house, and they're going to do the best possible installation, keep to the warranty, and have a really good built-in working relationship with all the manufacturers that they use, because in the long run, that quality installation is just as important as the quality of the window. So if you're looking for a contractor and you're looking for one that's quality, please look at the link below. It's an article regarding the 6 questions that you need to ask any contractor before hiring them for window and doors. So thanks for stopping by our video today. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to me and what I have to say about windows and doors. If you could just check out our other videos and check out the links below, that'd be fantastic. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Welcome to the home. Hi, my name is Dale. I'm with Southwest Exteriors. Welcome to the